Offshore wind farms cover large areas with many individual structures. From the perspective of the mariner or aviator, however, they need to be seen as a single obstruction. A marking concept will bring together several marking methods such as marine lanterns, ID marking, fog signals, and aviation lighting, just to name a few. Adding to the complexity, individual turbines can have different component arrangements. Therefore, a specialized system is required to integrate all the components together, be flexible enough to handle different configurations, and scale up and down as necessary. The system also needs to ensure synchronization throughout the wind farm, as well as provide remote monitoring and control while supplying local battery backup power. The Sabik Offshore NAI system has been designed to handle just this complexity, easily adapting to local requirements, multiple configurations, and special customer requests. The NAI Field Bus, short for Nav-Aid Interface, provides a scalable building block for an offshore wind farm marking system. Using the NAI communication protocol, almost any combination of products can be added to the bus with fully addressable control and monitoring. The NAI controller, placed on each turbine, acts as a facilitator between the individual components and the Parkmaster server. During commissioning, the NAI controller will configure and give a unique address to each component. This eliminates the need to pre-program components, which could be accidentally installed on a different turbine. Once the system has been commissioned and the components logged in the Parkmaster server, the components can run independently or as part of the network. The NAI controller then acts as a supervisor, watching and communicating the status of the components to the Parkmaster server, as well as facilitating any commands that come from the system or control center. The Parkmaster server collects the information about all the components from the turbines and acts as the information center for the Nav-Aid system. Through a SCADA interface, the operations center can monitor the status of the system as well as manually control it if necessary. Together, all these parts create a controlled environment for a secure and uniform marking system across the entire wind farm. Sabik Offshore, your experts in marking offshore wind farms.